Texas Air Systems. The Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport UVC disinfection initiative was started, planned, and engineered during a global pandemic of unparalleled magnitude and installed throughout the entirety of DFW Airport, the second busiest airport in North America, servicing an estimated 78 million travelers a year. Texas Air Systems and a team of Manhattan Construction and DFW Electric installed the state-of-the-art UVC RLM Extreme disinfection system consisting of almost 3,600 bulbs, more than 10 times the number of bulbs on the Reunion Tower Ball. Placed into 614 air handling units, the same amount of units as in 30 20-story office buildings, in all 6 terminals and on all public and non-public spaces. With lead times for the bulbs and materials accelerating from 2 to 4 weeks to 20-plus weeks, virtually overnight, Texas Air Systems and the team finished this extraordinary job on time, within budget, and with no recordable incident throughout unprecedented cooperation, detailed scheduling, and accurate execution amidst the headwind of the pandemic.